Oftentimes in the firearms community, there are special end users that require certain components to perform in certain ways. And when you're talking about being able to shoot your Glock pistol either underwater or when you come right up out of the water, of course, we're probably talking about military or law enforcement operators who work in wet environments. And because of that special end user, you developed a product called the Turbo Maritime Spring Cup. Do I have that right?
Yes, except for a little bit of the backstory.
Okay, all right.
We initially made a cup called a Maritime Spring Cup, which
Right.
was a copy of Glock's OEM cups.
Okay.
And throughout the years, we realized there was several shortcomings in that design.
Okay.
So what we did is we took that design, we put it in SolidWorks software, and we modeled it and we tested it, and we found out there was a more efficient way of creating the same thing, but also making it more reliable.
Okay.
And the standard cups have small squares,
Right.
which, as we know, if you're trying to push something through fluid, whether it be oil or water,
Right.
that you want to use a square, or do you want to use a bow of a boat?
The hydraulic effect. Okay.
Right.
Right.
So what we did was we changed the whole dimension, and then we looked at all different types of materials, and we came out with a more robust material. We changed some other dimensions so that it runs smoother inside the channel liner, which is the plastic portion of the
Right.
slide.
Okay. That makes
And
sense.
then we tested them, and they, computer-wise, the modeling, they worked better.
Right.
And then the final testing, we found out that they worked significantly better. And not only are they good for maritime use,
Right.
they're good for if your pistol gets any debris in the firing pin channel.
Gets grit, dirty. It's not
Oil.
designed for, look, Myrtle, I can shoot my gun in the pool. That's not what this is for. It's designed for if the gun gets gunk and stuff in it, it's still gonna run.
Yeah. And we came up with the name Turbo. It wasn't mine, it was Oliver's.
Okay.
And Oliver looked at it, he said it looked kind of like the impeller on a turbo.
Oh, okay. All right, good deal.
Yep.
All right, so if you feel like you need that type of component in your Glock, Ghost has it. Check out their product line at www.ghostinc.com.